Well, time to address my side skirts now. You can see all the nice flaking clear coat spotting going on. It's a better view there. That's where the wrap pulled up the clear coat. Time to sand it on down smooth and get it nice and uniform, and make sure you can't feel anything with your fingertips. So I'm going to start with 220 grit, start sanding it on down smooth. I'm not sure if it's going to save time in the long run or not, but I went on ahead and used the razor here and got any obvious flaking taken care of. So hoping that will kind of expedite the process, so I don't have to sand down all the obvious flaking, and I can just start with what's left. So hopefully it works out in my favor. A lot of work ahead of us. Well, for me, you guys just get to sit back and watch. Hey, bro. Hey. Hey, you. Hey, you. Peekaboo. Got my assistant helping. So yeah, we're gonna keep on keeping on and getting through this. Here we go. Putting in some work on those side skirts. Got a lot of it sanded down nice and smooth. Pretty much rinsed them off and set them aside, sitting up there until their day comes. So far the side skirts have been checked off the list as far as the prepping goes. So let's go ahead and see what's next. Keep sanding. The flaking paint is sticking to the wrap as I pull it off. Gotta keep on sanding. Pretty much gotta go to primer to be safe. So let's keep on going. Man, I pretty much started going ham on this sanding job. All the elbow grease, all the effort, realizing that 220 grit is not really cutting it, so dropped it down to 180, gave that a shot, and yeah, simply realized that doing this roof by hand is not the move. Was not the move. This roof was taking forever. It's about time I try an electric sander. I already had the sander in the garage. Wouldn't hurt to just try, give it a shot, see how much progress I can make using the electric sander. I made pretty quick work of it. but it still wasn't going as quickly as I would like it. I think it went down to about 150. I was pretty satisfied with the first sander, giving that a shot, but then I had to just go out. I had to go get a Harbor Freight orbital sander. It made very quick work of sanding down the paint, sanding down the layers to the primer, and yeah, pretty much got the roof sanded down to the primer. A couple different problem spots, but we'll address those a little later. And then I just continued on around the car. Any spot that needed sanding, needed some attention, I was the lucky guy to get that done. So I just pretty straightforward, working my way around the car, sanding down any imperfection. Working on the rear bumper, which is where most of the damage occurred. So that took some extra elbow grease. But in the end, we got through it, and we're moving on.